Everyone, welcome to the first tutorial of our Python for Beginners playlist. Today we will be diving into an introduction to Python programming. If you are new to coding, don't worry. We will take it step by step. Python is a beginner friendly programming language, and by the end of this tutorial you will have a basic understanding of what Python is and its uses and how to run your very first Python program. Without any further delay, let's jump in. Python is a high level, easy to learn programming language used to create software, websites, and even AI applications. It is known for its simple syntax, which makes it beginner friendly. You don't need to worry about complicated details when writing Python programs. Main features of Python: easy to read and write. Python syntax is clear and straightforward. It's versatile. Python can be used for a variety of tasks from building websites to data analysis. Portable: Python works across different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux. Okay, next. Uh, okay. Programming is the art of telling another human being what one wants the computer to do. This quote highlights that programming is like giving clear instruction. Writing code is about thinking logically and explaining things in a way the computer can understand. It's not just about writing lines of code, it's about communicating effectively with the machine. Applications of Python. Python is used in many areas because of its versatility. Here are some important applications: web development, building websites and web apps, data science, analyzing to find patterns or trends, data analysis, organizing and interpreting data, machine learning, teaching computers to learn from data, game development, making games, automation, automating repetitive tasks like sending emails or managing files. So, why should we learn Python? Python is a beginner friendly programming language which is simple to understand and write. Many companies use Python for their software, data analysis, and artificial intelligence projects. Python is one of the most in demand programming language, opening many job facilities. With a large community, you can find a lot of tutorial advice and free online tools. Learning Python can lead you to amazing career opportunities and personal projects. So, what is an IDE and why do we need it? IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It is a software tool that helps programmer write code. Why we need IDEs? IDEs make writing code easier and faster. They help you catch errors right away. They often have features like auto completion and suggestion to help you write code without errors. Some popular IDEs we can use, that is PyCharm, Visual Studio, Jupyter, etc. Okay, today we will run our first program, that is Hello World. So here we will write print quotation hello world. Print function is a function that displays text on the screen. It is one of the simplest ways to show output in Python. In examples, hello world is the message we want the computer to display. Here, when we run this code, Python will print this message hello world on the screen that we can see in our display. Thank you everyone for our first class.